Did you know your body is hiding secrets so bizarre they sound like science fiction? From microscopic invaders that control your mood to your brain's ghostly ability to rewire itself, what you're about to learn may just change how you see yourself forever. Let's unravel the strange, the unsettling, and the downright creepy truths lurking within us. What if you had a sixth sense and didn't even know it? Yes, humans may possess magnetoreception, the ability to detect Earth's magnetic fields, just like migratory birds. Some research suggests our brains subtly respond to magnetic shifts, hinting at a buried, primal navigation system. But the weirdness doesn't stop there. After brain injuries, some people develop entirely new abilities or recover skills once thought permanently lost. This is neuroplasticity, our brain's eerie power to rewire itself, sometimes in ways we don't understand. And here's the kicker: our sensory landscape isn't fixed. Scientists believe we could evolve or even train ourselves to develop entirely new senses, perhaps to detect radiation, electrical fields, or other forms of data. Every minute, we shed between 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells. That means you're constantly leaving microscopic traces of yourself wherever you go. On your bed, your keyboard, even in the air. Inside your skull, your brain births thousands of neurons each day, and then kills off just as many. This cellular chaos fuels your memories, moods, and thoughts, but also teeters on a biological knife's edge. And here's a disturbing reality. You've likely swallowed hundreds, if not thousands, of insects in your lifetime, especially in your sleep. It's not just an urban legend. Microscopic bugs are everywhere, and we're not always aware of what we're inhaling or ingesting. Your body isn't just yours. It's a crowded metropolis for trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, collectively known as the microbiome. These invisible organisms outnumber your human cells, and they're not just passive passengers. They digest your food, train your immune system, and shockingly, can influence your thoughts and behavior. Some studies even suggest your gut bacteria could contribute to depression, anxiety, or decision-making. You're not entirely steering the ship. Your microbes are whispering to the captain. Your body has its own emergency response system, one you don't control consciously. Right now, your cells are repairing micro-tears, flushing toxins, and growing new tissue. We are constantly regenerating, sometimes fully replacing organs' cellular structures over time. If stranded, your body can survive weeks without food. It turns to stored fat, then muscle, slowing down metabolism and conserving energy in a grim biological dance for survival. And when you're in pain, your brain releases endorphins, natural chemicals that mimic morphine. This built-in opiate system can dull agony and induce euphoria, even during trauma. Even with all we know, the human body remains one of the greatest enigmas in science. We don't fully understand how consciousness emerges, or why some conditions spontaneously reverse themselves. Why can some people survive extreme cold or heat better than others? Why do some memories vanish while others linger forever? The more we explore, the stranger things get. But by studying these hidden systems and bizarre capabilities, we get closer to understanding what it truly means to be human. So next time you glance in the mirror, remember the body you see is only half the story. The other half is stranger, darker, and still unfolding.